In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to hide your number when calling. Concealing your phone number while making calls is a simple process that can be achieved through various methods depending on your location and device. And here's how you can hide your caller ID. 1. Add a prefix before calling. In the United States and Canada, dial *67 followed by the recipient's phone number. Just note that this prefix doesn't work with emergency or toll-free numbers. On United Kingdoms, add 141 before the phone number to hide your caller ID. You can also permanently hide your caller ID by saving the contact with the 141 prefix. If the recipient has blocked private or restricted calls, add number 82 before the phone number to display your number. Just make sure that every country has a specific prefix, so look up the country or the prefix of your country and then do it. 2. Disable caller ID. Open the phone app and tap the three-dot menu at the top right. Select Settings and then tap on Calling Accounts. Choose your SIM or number and configure its settings. Tap on Additional Settings and select Caller ID and disable it to hide your phone number. If the option is grayed out, your carrier network may not support it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.